Negative 7 squared plus negative 7 squared equals, tingnan mabuti yung exponent. Yung una, ang square ay nasa labas ng parenthesis, while yung pangalawa, ang square ay nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, evaluate lang natin. So, itong una, ang ibig sabihin nito ay nasa labas yung exponent. So, ibig sabihin niyan is negative 7 times negative 7. While ito naman pangalawa, bali wala lang itong parenthesis, pwede na nating tanggalin yan kasi nasa loob naman yung exponent. So, ibig sabihin lang yan is, so negative 7, ang naka-square dito ay itong 7 lang. So, negative 7 times 7. Hindi kasama yung negative sign, unlike dito sa una. So, therefore, the answer is negative 7 times negative 7, that is positive 49. And then we have positive multiplied to negative, so that is negative. So, 7 times 7 is 49. So, the answer is 49 minus 49, 0. Letter A. Follow for more.